Hello guys, today I'll be showing you how to create a free blog for yourself. One of the best way to grow online now is to have a blog where you can be posting all your articles and earn commission due to click-through rate and the clicks and all the impression you made online. So with blogs, you actually don't have to make a purchase like promote a product for a client to purchase before you actually make money. You just need people to be clicking on it. But that's not what I'm going to show you today. What I'm going to show you is how to actually create a blog that works that and also at the same time drive traffic to your blog. So what I'm going to show you is this. The first thing you have to do, as you can see, this is my Android phone. So the first thing you have to do is to click on the create your blog. So when you click on it, it's going to take us to another dashboard. So what we'll be doing with this is to make sure everything is working out fine. You have to get a blog in order to start online marketing. Even though you are doing other things, you still need a blog so that you can create whatever you want to do. And what we'll be doing here is you're going to create an email. You're going to use an email account for this. So as you can see, this is a list of my email account. You can use any of the email you want. It depends on the kind of email you have. You can use a Yahoo Mail or any of the stuff. Depends, so far is a mail address, so you can use it. So what we're doing, let me click one. And what I love about this, since you're having an email address, you can create a blog. You don't need a password and all of those things to start having a blog. When you have an email account, just attach it to the blog and it's fine. And this and Blogger is owned by Google, so it's a tool. As you can see, we're going to give our blog a name. Let me just give it a random name for the sake of this video. So I'm going to type something like Luke, which is my name. Then I'll click next. Make sure you follow this in order to not to get lost. So what I'm going to do, let me give it my name again, Luke. Let me change this to this L to small letter, so that because when you are giving a blog name, you have to use small letter for search engine. So and they're telling me this name is not available because someone is using it already. My own name, but the name is not following me though. So I'm going to use my nickname. I'm going to use my nickname again. Let's see if this is available. Oh, it's not also available. Shit. Okay, let me use something like this for the sake of this video. Now, not to waste of time. Okay, since the term is what? Okay, let me just type some random keywords. So let's wait for the loading. So Google is still fetching some data about the blog. So they are telling me next. Let me click next. So let me to write a display name. Let me try my name too, because I love my name so much. So as you can see, we already own a half our blog. So what we should do with this is to start posting, and the best thing to do is keep posting articles. Post article, at least you have to post articles like 30 articles before you can think of having a domain name. And you don't just rush into having a domain when you don't have much article, because Google don't rank new blog. I know that you're not going to rank, but it's going to take a lot of competition to do this. So you have to do all of these things. Make sure you follow the steps as I've just done, not to make a mistake, because this is Google policy, not yours. So they might have chance of blocking you for any illegal activities you do, like just like Facebook always block all of those things on their platform. So if you want to create an article, just click on the new post. If you want to create a page like your privacy policy and all of those stuff like flag, you have to then you go to page and go to layout, where you put where you design your blog to the kind of look you want it to be like. Then you can see the theme, the theme is just for the theme. Like, you can download a lot of theme on the internet, but I will recommend you use the system for this, because to make it to edit it very well. And if you don't have a system, you can still use your mobile phone, though I'm not going to show you that, but it's very simple to do. So you can go to setting. When you click on setting, it's going to give you a lot of things to do. You can create your profile, create all of those things, and make sure you add your blog to. Don't worry, I'll show you that in the next video. Although I've just said, you make sure you add your blog to Google Search Console, because that is when your blog is going to be displayed on the Google. Will help you to rank your blog well and make your blog live. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you. See you in my next video.